all Allah messenger, all Allah send messenger for all people, for the past and for the present. So our Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, he is our hero. He is our hero. He is our choice. I love Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I love one 100%, inshallah. So you are love our Prophet, say peace upon him or sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you, thank you, thank you, all of you who listen this advice. Okay, please share, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Ibrahim Jaylan Tubi. Okay, if you are subscribe, like, share me, I get inshallah good things from you. Please write, comment, and all things. When I make mistake, please guide me, advise me, and also give suggestion for me. Okay, today I finished my lesson. The next I come by new video. So thank you for thank you all people who follow me and who subscribe me, who like me.